Hello again. I'm Samantha Wong, and I'm a product manager for SAP Analytics Cloud's predictive features. If you're just joining us, this is the third video in our series showcasing smart capabilities in SAP Analytics Cloud. We've already discovered how Search to Insight can be used to quickly answer business questions with visualizations. And in part 2, we use Smart Insights to discover the top contributors behind our data points. In this video, we'll take a look at Smart Discovery, a feature that helps us uncover statistically relevant relationships in our data. With Smart Discovery, we never have to start a story from scratch. A story is created for us to highlight the most important patterns in our data. Let's see how this works in the context of our example. We know that our leadership will be interested not only in historical performance, but also in the drivers behind whether or not we meet our revenue targets. They'll want to know what's currently working in our sales organization and what needs to be changed. Answering these types of business questions can be quite difficult, and most leadership teams rely on personal knowledge of the business to make recommendations. The problem with this approach is that these recommendations are highly subject to bias. SAP Analytics Cloud makes answering questions like these easier with Smart Discovery. Smart Discovery uses machine learning to automatically determine which factors in your business are correlated with a KPI or outcome. We are interested in the factors that drive expected revenue, so we can create a Smart Discovery around this KPI. When we run the Smart Discovery, SAP Analytics Cloud builds a predictive model to identify relationships between data points and total expected revenue. The results are added to our story as additional pages, consisting of an overview, key influencers, unexpected values, and a simulation. Let's take a look at the key influencers page. Here, we can see Smart Discovery has identified 10 key influencers for total expected revenue. Customer segment and customer status are the top 2 influencers, which means they are statistically relevant and correlated. If we scroll down, we can even cross-compare how customer segment and another variable, let's say length of sales cycle, influence total expected revenue. And we can see that across all segments, deals that take 1 year to close contribute more revenue on average than deals that take longer or shorter than a year to close. The Unexpected Values page shows the outliers in our data, highlighting 17 sales opportunities that resulted in a total revenue amount outside of what our model would typically predict. Now, I can further analyze these opportunities to see what's happened. I may want to speak with our account managers to better understand if there are other factors contributing to these abnormal results. Finally, the Simulation tab gives you the ability to test out hypothetical future scenarios to see how expected revenue is impacted. As we change the values of different variables, we can see how they positively and negatively affect our total expected revenue. For instance, we are working with a prior customer in the enterprise space. They are a consumer products company based in North America, and we have met them 10 times over the last 6 months. Our sales representative thinks we can close this deal 12 months from now, for a total sales cycle of 18 months. What can we do to positively influence the amount of revenue that's going to come in from this deal? What happens if we increase the number of meetings we have had with the customer to 30? It looks like expected revenue increases by 5,000. And what about if we engage with C-level executives instead of management-level employees? The opportunity increases by another 3,000. And finally, what if we give this customer extra attention to close this opportunity in a year? Revenue increases by 32% to $66,000. With the simulation capabilities in Smart Discovery, we are given the freedom to conduct what-if analysis to see what the next best action could possibly be. Smart Insights and Smart Discovery shorten the analysis process by presenting your data in a way that is statistically relevant. By augmenting this process, SAP Analytics Cloud saves you time, so you can focus on using your understanding of the key business drivers to optimize future performance. For more information on Smart Insights and Smart Discovery, please visit sapanalytics.cloud.